They say the black dog doesn't belong to a master. It belongs to the bad luck itself. Folklore has tracked spectral hounds through thick fog for centuries, always appearing when misfortune was near. Modern witnesses describe them with unnatural, glowing eyes that seem to pierce the deepest shadows. Some researchers suggest this could be a shared visual hallucination, triggered by intense fear in complete darkness. But dismissing it as mere suggestion feels impossible. If you hear a distinct bark when you're alone tonight, what will you do?